Welcome back to the channel, and today we're off to go and see Neil at the Retro Man Cave to donate some stuff and see what the cave's all about. Let's get on with it. So today what I'm doing is I'm actually getting rid of some of my monitors, giving them to Neil. I've got two Sonys, an Amstrad monitor and a PC monitor. So this was the one of the Sony TVs which I'm donating, yeah, I picked it up many years ago. It was from an old lady who has gone to a flat screen, and it's a really good picture on it, and it's going to be used in the cave. And then this is the VGA monitor, which was actually given to me by my neighbour, who was actually about to throw it out. It's actually a Super VGA, SVGA. It does a very high resolution, 1280 by 1024. It's quite a nice dot pitch on it, so it can be used there. So while I was there, Neil asked me to set up the PA speakers to give an ambient sound around the whole of the cave. I was not alone. There was another guy called Woz who also worked with me to actually set up all the speakers and get all of the cabling sorted. My God, it is really hot in that cave. Actually up on the ladder it was getting very, very warm indeed, and I was sweating a hell of a lot. I screwed all of the brackets for the speakers up onto the joists, and then we actually cabled it all up. So many thanks to Neil for my visit to the cave, and now off to the pub. Go ahead.